How to find ATMs on Google Maps. Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to quickly find ATMs using Google Maps. This is a handy feature, especially when you need cash and want to find the nearest ATM. Here's a step-by-step guide. Start by launching the Google Maps app on your device. Pay attention to this section where you can see options like restaurants, gas, and groceries on my screen. Most likely, you'll see different options. So, slide these options to the left and click on More. Then, from the available options, click on ATMs. Google Maps will display a list of nearby ATMs. You can scroll through the list to find an ATM that suits your needs. If you want more specific results, you can filter by options like accessibility or availability. Use the sorting options to find the nearest or most convenient ATM. To navigate to the ATM, click on Directions and Google Maps will provide you with a route. That's all! Now you can easily find ATMs using Google Maps. If this tutorial was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more smart and simple solutions.